Welcome to today's shadowing practice. Today's topic is meeting someone for the first time. Here's how we'll practice. I'll say each sentence 2 times. After that, you'll hear a short pause. Use the pause to repeat exactly what you hear. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and keep speaking. Ready? Let's begin. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hey. Hi there. Hi there. Hi, I don't think we've met before. Hi, I don't think we've met before. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Are you new to this event? Are you new to this event? Kind of. I only arrived a few minutes ago. Kind of. I only arrived a few minutes ago. Same here. Same here. I was hoping I wasn't the only new person. I was hoping I wasn't the only new person. That makes 2 of us. That makes 2 of us. Sometimes all it takes is saying hello. Sometimes all it takes is saying hello. I'm glad I came today. I'm glad I came today. Me too. It's been a really good evening. Me too. It's been a really good evening. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from a small coastal town. I'm from a small coastal town. It is very quiet and beautiful there. It is very quiet and beautiful there. I'm from a small coastal town. It is very quiet and beautiful there. I'm from a small coastal town. It is very quiet and beautiful there. What about you? What about you? Have you ever visited a place like that? Have you ever visited a place like that? Not yet. But I would love to. Not yet. But I would love to. I'd love to visit someday. I'd love to visit someday. You should. It's a beautiful place. You should. It's a beautiful place. What's your favorite thing about living there? What's your favorite thing about living there? The people, the scenery, and being close to the ocean. The people, the scenery, and being close to the ocean. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. How long have you lived there? How long have you lived there? My whole life. I grew up there. My whole life. I grew up there. Do you ever think about moving somewhere else? Do you ever think about moving somewhere else? Sometimes. But it always feels like home. Sometimes. But it always feels like home. I understand that feeling completely. I understand that feeling completely. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer. I really enjoy my work. I really enjoy my work. Every project is different. Every project is different. What kind of projects do you usually work on? What kind of projects do you usually work on? Mostly branding, websites, and social media designs. Mostly branding, websites, and social media designs. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. That sounds creative. That sounds creative. Do you enjoy your job? Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like working with different people. I like working with different people. Every day is a little different. Every day is a little different. What is the most challenging part of your job? What is the most challenging part of your job? Meeting deadlines when the client keeps changing their mind. Meeting deadlines when the client keeps changing their mind. I can imagine that. I can imagine that. But I wouldn't change it. But I wouldn't change it. It sounds like you are passionate about what you do. It sounds like you are passionate about what you do. I really am. I really am. How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English? I've been studying English for about 3 years. I've been studying English for about 3 years. I practice a little every day. I practice a little every day. Speaking every day really helps. Speaking every day really helps. Your English sounds very natural. Your English sounds very natural. Thank you. That means a lot. Thank you. That means a lot. What keeps you motivated? What keeps you motivated? I want to feel confident when I meet new people. I want to feel confident when I meet new people. Every conversation is practice. Every conversation is practice. That is a great way to think about it. That is a great way to think about it. What is your biggest challenge when speaking English? What is your biggest challenge when speaking English? Finding the right words in the moment. Finding the right words in the moment. That gets easier with practice. That gets easier with practice. I know. I can already feel the difference. I know. I can already feel the difference. Now let's shadow a complete conversation. Listen carefully and speak with me. Try to keep the same rhythm and tone. Do not stop. Just keep going. Let's begin. Hi, I don't think we've met before. Hi. I don't think we have either. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Jay. Are you new to this event? Kind of. I only arrived a few minutes ago. Same here. I was hoping I wasn't the only new person. That makes two of us. Where are you from? I'm from a small coastal town. Very quiet and beautiful. That sounds lovely. I would love to visit someday. You should. What about you? Where are you from? I'm from a big city. Very different from a coastal town. What do you do? I'm a graphic designer. What about you? I work in marketing. We probably have a lot in common. I think we do. How long have you been studying English? About 3 years. I practice every day. It really shows. Your English sounds very natural. Thank you. That means a lot. It was really nice meeting you today. You too. I hope we get to talk again soon. Excellent work. Now it is your turn. I will ask you questions. Answer out loud. Take your time. There are no perfect answers. Just keep speaking. What is your name? Where are you from? Tell me one thing you love about where you live. What do you do for work or study? What do you enjoy most about it? What is the most challenging part? How long have you been learning English? Why is learning English important to you? What is your biggest challenge when speaking English? Do you enjoy meeting new people? What is your dream destination? Why would you like to visit that place? Well done. You did that beautifully. Excellent work today. If you answered those questions out loud, you just had your own English conversation. That is something to be proud of. Remember, confidence does not come from knowing more words. It comes from speaking a little every single day. Come back tomorrow and practice this lesson again. You'll be surprised how much easier it feels the second time. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you in the next shadowing practice. Take care.